Hello, I have a great tip for you today to use to tune yourself and tune your life. Why do we need to tune our lives? Because we need to be at a level of joy. We need to be in alignment with our inner power, with ourself, with our brilliance. All the tools you need to succeed are within you. But only you can stir up those gifts. Only you can work on yourself to do the things that you need to do. However, sometimes in relationships, somebody might get us upset, might get us confused, and that brings us down. So when we get to work, we get on stage, we get to present, to preach, to lead a workshop, our energy is low. And it's all about energy, even though we don't see it. We communicate a lot through energy. You can check the animals, check the dogs, check how they communicate, how they find things, check the animals when you watch Discovery Channel and all that. So you see that there's an energy that floats in the atmosphere that we don't know about, but it's there. So you want to tune yourself so you are in alignment, so your vibrations are strong. And when you go out to work, you are mentally ready to present, to change the world, to impact, to do a great job. The tip I'm going to share with you today is kind of strange or off, but some of it comes out of experience, comes out of coaching people over the years, come out of doing healing work and prayers and deliverance, comes out of revelation. The tip I'm going to share with you today is called take a shower after leaving crowded places, after leaving meetings and even churches. Even Jesus himself was hit with energy. The lady who touched him and he felt drained. Are there people sometimes when they call you on the phone, you leave the phone and you feel tired, or you just have a conversation with them? The conversation might be very short, not even up to 5 minutes, but you are totally flattened. So sometimes if you find yourself coming home later and you are weak, or you wake up tired, or you don't know what has brought you down, the best thing is to do when you come home, when you return from certain things, just get in the shower, especially just lukewarm water or cold water or whatever, just any water. Just shower yourself, get a great shower, get some sweet smelling oils and put on you, or you can have flowers around your house, because sometimes we pick up energy. It could be something that had happened in that environment that we don't know about. Now we come through, and a lot of people they call themselves sensitive, they're compassionate. So they can pick up that. It happens a lot with people who are prophets and healers, because that's how they tune in also to heal other people. But if they have not learned to, protect themselves, it's easy for them to be brought down, even get the illness. So just take a shower and be strong.